What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here's a little sneak peek of a video we're working on for my wife's channel, She Fast. So if you're not subscribed to She Fast, go ahead and check it out because I do drop videos over there as well. We're actually working on Amazon tail lights to see how they compare with OEM. So that should be an interesting video. But I know you guys didn't come here for that because this is 300 Reasons. You want to see this. So it's 93 degrees out here, so I don't know if this is necessarily going to be a cold start, but let's go ahead and fire her up. Sit in the AC so I'm not burning up out here. Alright, so today's video is going to be quick. I just wanted to show you guys this right here. This is actually a dash cam, and as you can see, it replaces the OEM part that fits here. We did a complete video of the install over on the She Fast channel, so if you want to see that, go ahead and check it out. We also have some nighttime footage. I'll show you guys some driving footage now so you can check out the quality and see what it looks like. But here's some controls here. And the nice thing about this dash cam is that you don't have to do any wiring. Basically, it comes with a wire that goes in between the connector that's already there. So it's plug and play. You could probably install this thing in about 5 minutes, and you just need to set up the app. It is 4K quality. You guys can see the video quality now. So if you don't want to do a mirror dash cam like this one, you can just do this, and it keeps that stock appearance. It's kind of stealthy. If you don't know it's there, you're probably not really even going to see it or pay much attention to it. But you don't have to worry about hard wiring and all those sorts of things. So it's a really nice option. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you guys can check it out. They do make models with a rear camera as well. On this one, I only have the front camera, which is why I still have this dash cam still hooked up, because it is a front camera and I have a rear camera. But this one actually has better sound than the mirror dash cam. So if sound is something that's important to you, I would say check this one out. The video and audio quality are nice. Plus it does have a free app that you can use to review the footage. It does have a parking mode, but you'll need to hardwire it. And I'll put a link in the description so you could check out all the details on it, everything like that, and pick one up. If you don't have a dash cam, it's definitely worth getting one nowadays. But I just wanted to drop this video real quick so you guys could check this out, because I'm not getting paid from this company or anything like that. I just think it's a really nice dash cam. And the other thing about it too is they make them for other models, so regardless of what type of car you have or model, it's going to look different because it's based on the model. If you have a Jeep or something like that, it's going to look different, but it's still going to record the same, and the video, audio quality, all that's still going to be good. The other thing is I do have some more videos planned. I'm actually looking at replacing my steering wheel. I want to get a flat bottom one. This one doesn't have heating or anything like that. So if you guys know some steering wheels out there that fit the bill, let me know in the comments below and I'll check them out. So I've seen some steering wheels for the Dodge Charger. I'm not sure if they're a direct swap for the Chrysler. I think that they are, but I'll have to do some more research on that. I saw some with some carbon fiber. Really, I just want the flat bottom though. I'm not too concerned about that. Anyways, until next time, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all those good things, and I'll check you out on the next video. Peace. Be careful with my baby. No, my baby. That's a nice car right there, boy. What is this on top of my car? A bird pooped on? Oh, no. No. Yeah, right. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. No, we ain't riding out like that. Can't have bird crap on top of my car. Girl, come here. Trying to play. That's better, that's better. So because I have her tail lights disassembled, she's having to drive my car. She just wants an excuse to drive it, though, I know. That was unnecessary.